push, they're going to make us go down deeper and deeper and deeper. They can't uplift us. The media can't uplift you. That's why they've been brainwashing you for over 5 decades to believe in them and love hate. They want you to laugh at everyone else who's different and mock everyone and be racist, but call everyone else racist. It's the good old Seinfeld soup Nazi joke. It's you love disorder, you laugh at chaos, you backstab each other to benefit, and then if anyone says, hey, I want order in my place, and this is my place, and it's the most popular place in New York City, so if I want a little bit of order in my place, then it's probably for my reasons. Then they just laugh at you, they call you a soup Nazi, and eventually they steal your shit. They try and take your livelihood and kick you out of society. So it's all been in our faces forever. I almost think this is played so many times that there's people out there who wanted us to know. That's why they put all this in media and in such a blatant fashion that all you'd need to do was remove the laugh track to know the truth. And all you'd need to do was peek behind the curtain to see the truth. And it's really kind of obvious when you look at it from the bigger scheme that maybe they want us to know it all, and then once we know it all, they can actually come up with us. I don't know. It's really sketchy. All I know is I'm looking forward to the future now. I'm looking forward to the show, and it's fun to just wake people up, for fun to collect into little piles of carbon filings that all stand up together. And instead of chanting in the streets and yelling, no, 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 just yell yes, yes, yes. Just keep yelling yes. Just say positive, positive, positive. It's the path to being positive. It'll get us back to the world we used to be, even if we don't have to go back into the past to achieve that. So even in our little spiral future, if we start to move forward, we'll leave the past behind, just like it looks like right now. This thing is stalling and this thing is spinning. If we start to move forward and propel ourselves, instead of letting someone fix us to the wall and make us help them go down, we'll finally understand it all. We'll see what it is for ourselves, and we'll not only that, but just by being positive, we're going to end up leaving the negative behind, or making them positive too, but achieving some kind of a balance to where they think that if they create a mountain, then they can see over the mountain. But the truth is, if we just balance it out, we can all live happy lives and just climb the mountain if we want to see over anything, see it for ourselves. They're just too lazy to do it. So enjoy the big show. We pay for it, and we only get one ticket to this show.